Rachel, your girl, back with another video. Today is the third part of my 3-part series of my TTDEYE makeup looks. The contacts I'm wearing today are Polar Lights Gray, and they are my favorite pair. I like them a lot because they do look like blue eyes, but they're very subtle. The blue is very subtle, it's more gray, but they do look blue. And I just like that a lot about them. I think they look really good. My eyes look a little wonky. It's because sometimes the contacts slide around a little bit and makes my pupils look like I'm looking in opposite directions, but right now I think it's okay. The look that I went for today is this cat eye with some golden shimmer in there. I did a glowy face. And again, in this video, I didn't put a lot of foundation on because, girl, it is hot. It is hot outside. It is like 85 degrees outside and it is humid, so.
Your girl is hot. Your girl is sweating. Whew.
So, without further ado, let's get into the look. Okay, to start off this look, we are just going to use a little bit of concealer to conceal around the eyes and forehead. We're just going to set that with this Lasting Fix setting powder. Using this contour powder, it smells just like chocolate. It smells so good. I'm going to use it to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and along my jawline. Using this Morphe blush palette, I'm dipping in the 2 pinkier colors in there, and I am giving myself a natural flush. In the end, it should look a little something like this. Using this Born to Glow highlighter from NYX, I'm going to be applying this to my face to give myself a natural dewy look. Using my fingers, it's a really good way to blend it out, and I like to put it along the high parts of my cheekbones and right under my brow where you can feel your brow bone. And it's in kind of like a C shape, and I really think that this application really makes the face look really naturally dewy without being too much. And of course, I'm going to be adding a little bit to my nose and the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Any excess that I had, I just put on my chin. Okay, now that our face is done, we're going to give our face a good spritz of this Lasting Fix setting spray. Using a flat brush from Urban Decay, I'm giving it a good spritz of the setting spray and dipping into Naked 2 palette, the color Chopper, and applying that to my eyelid. By getting the brush a little wet, it helps with the pigment of the color a lot more. When you're done, it should look a little something like this. Using a small fluffy brush, I am dipping in the color Tease of the Naked 2 palette and just going in my crease just to give a little more definition. Using a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Using that same flat brush, we're going back into the color Chopper and we're going to just get a little more pigment on the lid. Dipping into the Naked Heat palette, we're using the color Ounce with a clean brush, and we're just going to dab that right on the center of the eyelid, just to give it a little more brightness. We're also going to be applying that into the inner corner of the eyes. I feel like using this trick really brightens up the eye, like a lot. Grabbing the Naked 2 palette again, we're going in the color Busted with a flat angle brush, and we're just going to go along the bottom lash line. After doing that, we're just going to line our water lines with a brown gel liner. Time for the cat eye. I like to use a felt tip liquid eyeliner kind of pen here. I think this gives you the best control, and I'm not going to go into detail about how I do this. I'm just going to let you watch and see for yourself. If you want a more detailed version of how I do this with me struggling to explain, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna put on some lashes and the look is complete. So that concludes today's look. I wanted to do something that really complemented these contacts. And as I mentioned in my last two videos, TTDEYE reached out to me and gave me a discount code to give to you guys, which is raachelemilyyT. You'll save 10% off your whole order if you put that code in. So make sure you Make sure you click that link down in my description box. All right, that's it from me, you guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. I make videos every week. And as always, have a happy, healthy weekend. Take care, you guys. Bye.